Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
What is your name?
My name is Jessie.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I do.
What time is it?
It is 10 o'clock in the morning.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on the next week.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is fish.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is the weather like today?
It is raining.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is badminton.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak 3 languages.
What time do you wake up? In the morning?
I wake up at a.m.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What did you do last weekend?
Last weekend I was hanging out with my friends.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, I have traveled abroad.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is swimming.
What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I ride my bicycle.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I have allergies to fruits.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can.